Investment Matters, SIMS.
Understanding cash, credit, and consumerism is possible and important for building a sense of financial responsibility. And when should this be taught? As soon as possible. Sife Clarenville is excited to have launched our Student Investment Matters program this year. The SIMS program begins teaching financial literacy to children as young as age 5, up to and including college students. The 5 components of the SIMS program include sensible thinking, kids save, raised for richness, managing your money, and financial matters.
This year, we developed the first component of the SIMS program called sensible thinking. Each day, children learn they must make choices, that others have different values, and they can't always get what they want. These skills are often the foundation to becoming wise spenders, savvy investors, and industry or community leaders. Partnering with Clarenville Primary School, we deliver 7 one-hour sessions engaging 192 children. Students were taught very appropriate skills.
Pennies, quarters, nickels, dimes. Let's pick them up one at a time. Start with a penny. This one's brown, different from the other 3 coins around. Find the penny.
Grade 1 students learn coin recognition. In the pretest, students started with the coin song, and as they sang, they identified their appropriate coin. Students were then broken up into small groups and asked if they could identify the coins on flashcards. 51 students participated, and 53% of the students could recognize the coin. 83% could recognize the coin once they were told the image. In the post-test, a mock store was set up for students to make purchases. Price tags were placed on items in the store with the images of coins. Students had to match the coins they had with those on the items. They could only purchase items if they had the correct change. Overall, 95% of the students could achieve this.
Grade 2 students learn the value of money and teamwork by working together. In the pre-test, children were given envelopes and they checked to see if the amount on the envelope matched what was written or what was in it. They then replaced this with a new amount and passed it to their partner to check. 74 students participated, and 75% of the students could clearly identify the amount. Students then worked in teams to figure out how many ways they could use coins to equal the monetary amount displayed on the envelopes. In the post-assessment, groups of students were given an item with a price. The first one counted the correct amount to match the price tag amount got the item. Overall, 82% of the students correctly purchased the item.
Grade 3 students had to use different monetary combinations to make change. They were introduced to the concepts of total cost and needs versus wants when purchasing items from the store. In the pretest, students were given activities which they had to determine the cost of the item and whether they had enough to purchase it. 67 students participated, and 72% could correctly identify the total cost of an item. During the mock store setup, 80% of students could correctly identify the total amount needed to purchase multiple items.
Now we'll hear from Principal Darrell Feener with his feedback on the sensible thinking component of the SIMS program.
The students from the College of North Atlantic came to visit our school, and they visited with students from 1 to 3, 192 kids in total. They brought them into the library and had all kinds of hands-on activities designed for them. There was a lot of experiential learning going on. The students got to be hands-on activities and talking to an enterprise and talking about getting the value for the dollar. They were earning money and they were spending money, and they had all the products set up on the library. And the students were just overwhelmed with excitement of having this money that they earn in their activities, their math activities, and then able to take it and spend it on products that the students had set up in the library. So it really brought true meaning to enterprise, to budgeting, and knowing how you got your money, knowing how you spent it. We even have some students who talk about when they grow up about having their own business and owning a grocery store. I mean, this is a big thing for students who are talking 6, 7, 8 years old. So very exciting day, and they thoroughly enjoyed the presentations.
One of the challenges we face operating in a small campus is ensuring program sustainability. But through our rigorous recruitment efforts, we now have a more diverse team that includes students from business administration, office administration, and the adult basic education program. As well, we have been able to gain volunteer support from other programs throughout the campus.
Some of the initiatives that we have implemented include Project Bonders, which provide future teams with groundwork to continue and improve upon our existing projects. We are currently in the process of reestablishing our business advisory board. This year, we have updated and redesigned our promotional materials, and through fundraising events, we have taken the opportunity to promote involvement in the Sife program. Sife Clarenville has been advertised throughout the community and college using local media and the college paper. We have been given access to office space, supplies, and faculty support. We have established partnerships with local companies in support of Sife team fundraisers. This has a significant impact on the success, sustainability, and recognition of Sife Clarenville.
This year, Sife Clarenville has completed 16 projects and events.
With only 8 active members, we have been able to impact almost 700 people.
We have gained support from student volunteers and have established a plan for program sustainability.
We have expanded on existing projects by offering an advanced programming computers for seniors. We have developed 3 new projects: Let's Can Hunger, Economical Living, and the STEMS program.
This year, Sife Clarenville set a plan in motion for change.
And we are very proud to say that change has led us in the right direction. Thank you very much for your time. We will now take your questions.